Thank you for picking up the October Take and Make for kindergarten through second grade. Today we are going to make a movable mummy. So the items you should have in your box are 4 pipe cleaners and a pile of tissue paper. The items that you want to grab from home are a glue stick and a pair of scissors. Okay, so we're going to go through the steps. So the first step you want to do is you want to make the mummy's head. So you're going to bend your first pipe cleaner into a head shape, and then you want to twist the end to secure it. Okay, there's our head. Next, you're going to take another pipe cleaner and you're going to make the body. So you're going to take the body and you're going to twist it around and add it to the head. Okay, so we have our head and our body. Now we are going to make the arms. So you're going to use the 1 pipe cleaner to make both of the arms. So you're going to take it and you can put it behind the body, and then you're just going to twist it. So one side is going to go on this side, and then the other side is going to go on the opposite side. So see, it's nice and secure. Now you're going to make the legs pretty much the same way that you made the arms. We're going to go underneath and we're going to twist it in the opposite directions, and then you can push them down to make them look like legs. So now you have your mummy. Now you just need to wrap it. So what you're going to do is grab your tissue paper and your scissors, and we're going to cut strips of paper to use to wrap the mummy. So just like this. You can take a few sheets at a time too. You're just going to cut strips. So keep cutting until you have all of the paper cut into little strips. I already have a pile over here that I'm going to use. So now you're going to take 1 strip and you're going to start to wrap your mummy. I'm going to start up at the head because it seems to stay a little bit better if you just continuously wrap one on top of the other. So I'm going to start up here and I'm just going to start wrapping him. And you can do it as thick as you want or as thin as you want. You can use up all the paper or just some of the paper. So when you come to the end, what you can do is either grab another strip and just kind of add it on top of where you ended and keep wrapping. Or if you want to, you can use the glue to secure the first piece down. So you'd put like a little glue right on the end there and then just hold it down there. And so then what you want to do is just wrap the entire body, and then this is what it's going to look like. And you can pose him into whatever kind of shapes that you want. Okay, I hope you enjoy the craft.